Best export settings in Adobe Premiere Pro CC tutorial. Firstly, drag your video clip onto the video timeline like so. The next step is to locate the part of the video clip that you would like to export. And in this case, I'm highlighting the video clip and I'm clicking I or Control I for an in point, the down arrow key, and then O or Control O for the out point of the video clip. And then on your keyboard, click Control plus M. This will bring up the export settings like so. And in this area, we have the format or this option. Make sure it's .h264 or you have different settings like so. But this has worked best for me for over the past couple years. And underneath preset, you have here high bit rate, matte source, medium bit rate, and adaptive high bit rate, low bit rate, etc., etc. Okay, and now if you want your video quality to be the best possibly possible, then high bit rate is for you. And if you want to be the lowest, then low bit rate is for you, etc. And then now notice when I click on low bit rate, the estimated file size is 50 megabytes. And then now notice when I click on the highest bit rate, it is around 10x or 415 megabytes. And now you want to choose the desired bit rate that you want, higher bit rate, higher quality for uploading online. And as you can see, under output name, choose where you want to save the video file and then click save. And now you can click Q on your keyboard. You can directly export the video. Thanks for watching.